Okay, sorry guys, it just stopped recording. I think it was because of the lack of camera space. So, Julian, you can start opening it.
Well, this game's all about fighting and killing.
I said start opening it.
Oh, fuck. How am I gonna... Oh, here I open it. Get it open. That's how you open it.
Should I help you? No?
I'm very strong because I'm 5 years old now. What? I'm gonna open this stupid package. Well, I'm opening it right now. There's part 2, guys. We have to get the Skylanders out.
Come on.
Skylanders out.
Not coming out.
No.
Come on, Julian. You can do it. The cable's coming out. Wait.
Maybe we could do...
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all the packaging. And here's all the stuff inside. That's where you put your traps in. This is the live trap. And this is the water trap.
Now we first have to get the Skylanders out.
Come on, Julian. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Here's the trap.
This is Food Fight. This is my favourite person. He's the life. He's the earth element. So
Life.
Life.
Come on. And here's Snapshot.
He's the water element. So he's got a little trap here.
And this is the portal.
But how are you going to get it out?
Julian, you hold the camera. Wait. Just that.
So this is the portal, and this is where you put your keys in. This is where this is where you put your
Like here, but like there.
and this is where you put your trap keys.
And this is the speaker that they talk through.
Yep, so you can hear what they say. Oh, you can hear the
And here I have the portal.
So you plug it into something, then you can play.
Yep.
Like us. And then you get in the game and play with them. You can
Yep.
Skylanders.
And so that's just about everything.
Look, Maya, we get the cards!
Ooh.
But how are we going to get the cards out? Look, we've got it! We've got the disc!
Let's open it and see how it looks like.
Let's go
See what
and
it
see
looks
the disc. We've got this because we need it to play the video game.
Yep.
Oh, she's got cute!
That's Mini Genie. It's like Mini Genie's psychic.
Oh, look, this is how it looks like. Look, it's
No,
got
leave
on
it.
it. Oh, yeah, let's advise
Snapshot and chaos. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.
Bye, guys. This is the end of the video.
Make sure to like and
This video.
subscribe to become a polar bear today. Join the polar clan.
Join the polar clan.
And I'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
How are you going to get the card